GoHighLevel automation tools. If you are running a business, this tool can completely change the way you work. They help you to save time, stay organized, and follow up with leads without lifting a finger. But how do they actually work, and why are so many businesses switching to GoHighLevel or the automation? In this video, I will break it down in a simple and easy to understand way. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use these tools to boost your productivity. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and make sure to check the link from the description to get some special offers on GoHighLevel. You can get the 30 days free trial link on GoHighLevel. You can get the live bootcamp access, and obviously you can get the exclusive bonuses of the GoHighLevel. So grab the offer from the link and let's get back to the video. So first of all, GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform that help business to automate their tasks that normally take hours of manual work. So from sending emails and text messages to scheduling appointments and the managing follow-ups, it keeps everything in one place. The best part is you don't need to be a tech expert. One of the key automation tools is the workflow builder. With this, you can create step-by-step sequences for your leads and clients. For example, when a new lead fills out a form on your website, you can automatically send them an welcome message. You can follow it up with an SMS reminder and even assign a task for your team member to call them. Everything happens automatically, which saves you hours of manual work and reduce the chances of forgetting a lead. Another powerful tool is the trigger system. Trigger allow you to define action based on the specific events. Let's say a client is scheduled an appointment. GoHighLevel can automatically send them a confirmation email and add them a calendar and even notify you. This way, nothing falls through the crack and the workflow becomes seamless. GoHighLevel also include the campaign automation for email and the SMS marketing. You can schedule the messages to go out at the right time and segment your audience based on the behavior. And obviously you can track the engagement in real time. This helps you to build better relationship with your leads and clients without consistently doing the manual work. Even for the small businesses, these automation tools make a big difference. Instead of spending hours on following up, you can focus on more important things like improving your services or creating new offers. Automation not only saves time but also increases your chances of converting leads into paying client. GoHighLevel automation tools are a game changer for anyone who wants to run a more efficient business. They save time, improve the follow-up, and help you to scale your operations without hiring more staff. If you want to try GoHighLevel, check the link from the description for the extended version of the free trial and some exclusive bonuses also. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.